Stop scrolling, stop everything you're doing, because check this out. This is a JPEG in Photoshop beta, and look, it's like it's 3D. Game changer here. Let me show you. So for this design, I have the skull, but I have no angle that matches the perspective I'm going for. So what do? We do a remove background and jump in here. Yeah, we want to transform this image. And from there, this is the exciting part, rotate object. Select that. It'll create a rotatable object, obviously perspective here, rotate to the left, right, up and down, sort of 360 all the way around. You get the idea. The key thing is you can match that perspective perfectly for whatever composition you're going for. It's game changer right here. So comment skull below and I'll send you a link to the beta. And you could always go back in and edit that rotation if you need to make any edits. Again, I just need to get this perfect, but it's nice that I can finally line this up. I can't tell you how excited I am about this. This works for anything. So of course we need the lower body. We have this skeleton. Go ahead and do the same thing and get all those different angles to match it up for this part of this design. But think about this, you can now take one object, a bird in this case, and yeah, turn it into a flock of birds for your design. Same thing for this flower. Yeah, we can do our rotate object and turn this into a field of flowers, but I just love having this perspective and the accuracy is just really off the charts. Of course, leaves, you get the idea. There's so much you can do with this. This really changes the way I work in Photoshop. It's so much fun. I want you to try it out for yourself and show me what you make and follow me for more.